Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Microsoft PC Manager coming soon download error. So if you are trying to download Microsoft PC Manager, are encountering a coming soon message instead of a download option. So this issue arises due to local regulations or regional restrictions which prevent user in a certain countries from accessing the app through traditional channels. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So I recommend to use Microsoft Store to download or install the app. So ang next step, so open lang natin ang Microsoft Store. And then dito lang sa taas, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung Microsoft PC Manager. So once na i-type mo na, and then automatic naman dito na mag-a-appear dito yung Microsoft PC Manager, and then i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa app na Microsoft PC Manager, so kapag may nakita ka ditong get, so kailangan mo lang yan i-click para ma-download or ma-install ito. Alright, so once na-download mo na or na-install, and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to alter regional settings. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And next step, dito lang sa left side menu. And then, i-select mo lang dito yung time and language. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa time and language, and select mo lang dito yung language and regions, so i-click lang natin yan. And then dito sa language and regions, so dito lang sa region ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung country or region. Okay, so dito sa right side makikita mo dito yung arrow na yan, so i-click mo lang yan. And then dito ay kailangan lang natin i-set yung country or region to one where PC Manager is accessible. So, select mo lang dito kung anong country na available yung PC Manager so ma-access. So, kailangan mo lang yan i-select. Alright? So, for example, select lang natin dito yung United States. So, kailangan mo lang i-select yun mga kaibigan or i-locate mo lang yung United States or Philippines or yung other country. Okay? So, once na-set mo na and other solution na pwede natin gawin. So, close lang natin tong settings. Ang gagawin natin is to clear the browser cache. So kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So all you have to do is to open up on a Microsoft Edge browser. And dito lang sa top right corner, and then i-click mo lang dito yung tatlong dot. And then select mo lang dito yung settings. And dito lang sa left side menu, and select mo lang dito yung privacy and search and services. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And dito lang sa delete browsing data, under nito ay makikita mo dito yung clear browsing data now. So dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung choose what to clear. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa kanyang delete browsing data, dito sa time range, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung all the time. So click mo lang yan. And then kailangan mo lang i-check dito yung browsing history, yung download history, yung cookies and other site data, and then yung cache images and files. So dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung clear now. So ulit mo lang yan. And then wait natin. Alright? So once na-clear mo na yon, and then next step, so close lang natin tong Microsoft Edge browser. At dito lang sa start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay? Click mo lang yan. Alright? So ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Microsoft PC Manager coming soon and download error. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.